Hey sisters! Welcome back to Nell Block. So if y'all wanna know 5 tips on how to make straight A's, how to be a straight A student, keep on watching this video. So yeah, I have 5 tips, easy, y'all can do it. Making A's not hard, it's just consistency. But anyway, let's get into the video. The first thing you have to do, having good penmanship, okay, that means having good handwriting. I think that will help you in the long run get good grades. Write neat and take efficient notes. I think that will get you far. Take quick notes while you're in class, but when you get home, you should like read. Okay, that's gonna fall, y'all. It's going down. But when you get home, you should go rewrite those notes. Use like highlighters. When you go to rewrite it, I'm gonna show you an example. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys my physics notes. And I gotta be in physics. Anyway. So kinda sorta like this. Okay? You see what I'm doing? Like, use highlighters and post-its and like good pens. I prefer to write with ballpoint pens, not gel pens, not any other pen. That's probably not a good sign. Okay, like this. Like this. And as you can see, I was consistent. Oh my god. But yeah, y'all get it. Just good penmanship. I think going home and rewriting this will also help you kind of like review what you're doing, and you'll take your time, write it all neat. You know? So not only will your notes look more appealing, it'll help you remember because you're literally writing it. You're hearing it from your teacher. You're writing it out 2 times. So I think that's a pretty good study method too. You have to find your personal way. Find a good way that you like to take notes. If you're a person that likes to use abbreviations and stuff like that, do that to help yourself. First, when I'm in class, my notes is super sloppy and big and all a mess. But as soon as I go home, I really take my time. Like, I could take 45 minutes to an hour and a half just taking my time rewriting notes. I use like I was going crazy last year, y'all. I was using a ruler to like make sure all my words was even. Yeah. But I don't regret it because you're watching my video. I got really off point there, but the point is find a good technique that works for you. If you're a person that really does well off just examples, I think I am that person too. So I would ask the teacher like, hey, can you like write down a few little examples for me on this little post-it or whatever, and then I'll go back in my notes, rewrite it in my notes, and I'll study little post-its, you know. Just, I think, yeah. I think taking good notes is it plays a huge part on your grades because homework becoming easier, and quizzes in college, at least, we don't really have homework. Everything is tests and quizzes. So if you take good notes and you study your notes good, you know, you review everything that you learn when you get home, I think you'll flourish and you will get straight A's. It may not seem like it'll help, but write the date on every single page. Every single page. Write the date. Not only write the date, write the chapter in the section that they have. Like, for example, 7.1, you feel me? Or I know I did it in here. Yeah, this one's 310. That would help because when test time come around, you're gonna know exactly what chapter to stop at, what date to start, and so on and so forth. Teachers, I know that physics teacher, he liked to stop mid-chapter, so we'll test on like 6.3 to 7.5, and you know, marking it would help. So I would know exactly what to study for. Or even sometimes you can ask your teacher, like, okay, if they didn't clarify, you can ask your teacher, what will the test cover? And they will say, oh, what we learned last week. you know, you can go back in and look up last week's dates or whatever. That's helpful. Highlighting important things. Highlighters were my best friend last year. Highlight important words and important events, important information. Here, let me just share something. Planners. Planners. Get one or two. A piece of what my planner looked like. Okay, when we was in school. Highlight everything. Everything was highlighted, and I color coordinated the classes, so I remember that purple was history. I don't know. I think orange was physics, and as you saw, the physics. You know, when I did my notes, I used orange. I don't know. I just tried to correlate the two in my head, and it helped. As soon as you get your syllabus, go in here. Check this every day like it's your phone. So that's everything for taking notes. Just good notes, efficient notes. Very important. I think if you just take efficient notes and like study your notes and do just the first tip, I think you will get straight B's, okay? But let's go a step further because we're trying to excel and be perfecto, okay? Number 2 is check your grades every single day. Which leads me to my next tip, do extra credit. Even when you don't need the extra credit, you know, you feel like, oh, I did good on that last test. You feel me like, I don't really need it. Do it anyway because it can still boost your GPA if you keep, you know, when you don't get no higher than an A. So that means, you know, your overall grade in the class is going to raise, your GPA is going to raise. Just do everything you can do. You have nothing else to do. You're only there to do this one thing. You never done enough. Understand that. You've never done enough. So just keep it up. The fourth tip is don't slack off. Partying, drinking, smoking, the boys, the girls, napping, social media. It can wait. It sounds like, you know, so cliche, you guys, but it can really wait. It's gonna be there tomorrow, the next day. Every single day there's probably gonna be a party. Okay? Every single day there's gonna be drugs around. Every single day there's gonna be that same boy. He not going nowhere. You don't gotta go up his house tonight, baby. You don't have to go tonight. Alcohol, somebody's always gonna want to drink. It's okay. You don't have to do it right now when you know you got a test to go to in the morning. Go study for your test. Trust me, it can wait. Like, hopefully you're in college for 4 years. 4 years. One party can wait. I don't care if it's homecoming. It can wait. Also, baby, that money, I would rather study in my room and get an A and get paid and get a nice little fat check than spend $20 to get into a club that they're gonna play the weakest music because I'm down south, baby. Watch these Greeks push me out the way because they want to go stump the yard. I'm not paying for that when I have a test. So anyway, the point is, don't slack off because it's not worth it. Nothing is worth your education. People always say, like, oh, you're not getting the full college experience. Okay. Them people, see how many of them come back second semester. See how many of them come back. Don't slack off, baby. That nap can wait. While you're studying, boy, you're going to be so bored. You're going to be so tired. You're just going to fall out. Just keep on reading. Keep on going. Don't stop. Take a break, but don't stop. Very important. Anyway, and the last tip, my final tip to you babies, to you want to be perfectionists, to you want to be straight A students, review your notes every day. Every day. Usually, well, for me, I had 2 to 3 different classes every day. And that was just too much to try to, you know, like you're gonna have 5 to 8. You're gonna have like 5 or more classes. Reviewing that at the end of the week will be way too much. When you get home from class, review, rewrite your notes. Do it every day. Check your grades. Do extra credit. And don't suck off. It don't even matter what you're gonna test. You'll do fine. So I hope these tips worked for you guys. Try them out. Let me know. Yeah. By the way, I'm a sophomore at college. I go to Alabama A&M University. Yeah, I'm 19. And my major is communication science and disorders. I want to be a speech pathologist. Yeah, I said I'm a sophomore already. So, yeah. Let's get these A's together. I hope you liked this video. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Yeah. If you did though, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down there. It's free. Just click it. Even if you don't like me, click it because it's free. Okay, anyway. Bye guys.